Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be showing you we discuss with you Slimjaro weight loss review. So you might be wondering, what is the Slimjaro product that you may be hearing online? Well, Slimjaro here is a dietary supplement in capsule form, positioned to support weight management by boosting metabolism, controlling appetite, and basically supporting digestion. Now, it's marketed as a plant-based, stimulant-free formula rather than a replacement for diet and exercise. Now, listed ingredients here vary somewhat by product page, but commonly includes Garcinia Cambogia with HCA, green tea extract, glucomannan, MSM, Ganoderma, arnica oil, aloe vera, ginger root, and a lot more. Now, it's described as a gluten-free, non-GMO, and suitable for vegans and vegetarians. Now, in this case, according to them, it's manufactured in an FDA-registered, GMP-certified U.S. facility. As with all dietary supplements, these statements haven't been evaluated by the FDA, and the products isn't intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent diseases. Now, these are more like supplements. Now, how do you usually take these type of products? Now, in this case, according to them, you take 1 or 2 capsules daily with water, generally recommended for about 30 minutes before a meal, and the maker's guidance suggests a minimum of 60 to 90 days of consistent usage to gauge fuller results. Now, alongside balanced diet and regular activities, as with any supplements, checking with a healthcare provider first is actually advised, especially for anyone with existing health condition or taking other medication. Now, on the pricing side here, a single bottle or 30-day supply here is listed as a $69 plus shipping. Now, a 3-bottle bundle 90-day supply here runs at around $59 per bottle, around 177 total with free shipping, and a 6-bottle bundle around 180-day supply run at $49 per bottle, around $294 total. Also with free shipping. Now, it's sold exclusively through the official website rather than third-party retailers and comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, and that's according to them. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.